Good morning, welcome to Shooting a Shave. It's good to be here. Time for another shave. Today's brush is going to be my Yaqi High Mountain Silvertip here. Today's soap is going to be Uncle John's Pipe Smoke. Today's razor, first time I'm using it, is my Parker Shavette here. Get some water on the face. And we'll get the brush locked and loaded. Tell you about the scent notes, which are caramel and vanilla and tobacco. Very nice scent. On a scent strength from 1 to 10, I'd say it'd be a 5, right in the middle there. Got a nice lather coming out of there. I'm good to go with that. Get some of this excess cream on the face here. Alright, face lather. As I'm lathering up here, the scent opens up a little more. I'd say it slightly increases too in scent strength, probably maybe a 5.5 now, maybe a 6. This is a really nice lather. I'm not going to really have to lather for a very long time. I feel like it's already come together. So how is everybody doing today? I hope you're all well. Hope you had a nice holiday if you celebrated Thanksgiving. If not, I hope your weekend is going good. It's Sunday morning here. I'm not sure if I said that before. If I did, I'm sorry that I'm repeating myself. Yeah, that's good. I think I'm good to go here. And I'm gonna go first pass here. Yes, I don't have a lot of experience with these shavettes, so I might not be doing a whole lot of talking here. I don't want to cut myself. But so far, so good. With these shavettes, what I've learned so far is that angle is everything. You put too steep of an angle on it, you're going to cut yourself. If too much pressure, you'll cut yourself. Might have got myself. Might have got myself on the chin there. Yeah, I did. Yeah, I don't have a lot of experience with these things. Oh well. When you shave, you're gonna cut yourself from time to time, right? Can't always have a perfect cut-free shave. Excuse me while I rinse up. Yeah, I got myself pretty good there. Oh well. Man, this scent is really nice on this. Very, very nice scent. If you like tobacco scents, I highly recommend this one. Very sweet, a very sweet scent. You know, with these Shavettes, you can't be in a hurry to shave. You just got to take your time and learn them. There is a learning curve with them. In my opinion, I think a Shavette is a lot harsher than a straight razor. That's just my opinion. Shavette is not as smooth as a straight razor. My shaves with a straight razor are more comfortable than Shavette shaving. I typically don't like to use Shavettes, but I figured I'd give it a try today. I don't have a whole lot of practice with it. I should probably try to use it a little more. I'll get a little water in there, just a little bit. Take a sip of some coffee here. All right, second pass here. When I do use these things, I always have trouble around my chin because my growth on the chin here is so much more dense, which makes it hard for me to shave around there. Other than that little weeper there, this is feeling pretty smooth. I just need a lot more practice with these to get the angles right. That cut is mostly my fault. When I was taking a razor off, I moved it over on my chin as opposed to taking it off my chin, so that's pretty much my fault. I do have an easier time going against the grain because the blade is so sharp that I don't really have any tugging or pulling. I do have a harder time with a straight razor going against the grain on my chin there. Got another cut right there. I think that's just a little spot I got there. All right, do a feel about real quick. Only a couple spots to pick up here. A little bit of a bloody shave today, but that's all right. Just means I need to practice more with the Shavette. My technique needs to improve. No big deal. All right, clean up these spots real quick and I'll call it a day. Alright, that's going to do it for today. I'm going to go ahead, rinse up, clean up my sink, clean up my gear, and I'll see you guys for post-shave. So for post-shave today, I'm going to go with the Artisan Soap Shop's Humidor. It matches very nicely to the Uncle John soap. And this splash has no alcohol in it. It's like witch hazel and some other stuff, but there's no alcohol in it. And the scent strength on this, or the scent will last, the scent strength is good and the scent will last quite a while, at least 4 hours after I've used it. I can still smell it. Post-shave balm today, I'm just going to go with the Morgan's post-shave balm here. Just a little bit. And some thoughts on the shave today is, I had a pretty good shave. Even though I had the 2 weepers, they went away after I used the alum block when I was cleaning up. They sealed right up, so they're very tiny cuts. They just bled a lot. But all in all, had a really nice shave. I didn't really have too much burning from the alum, so I just have to be careful when I go around the chin here and make sure I take the razor off my chin when I move it. So I think that's how I cut myself. But yeah. Other than that, good shave. Look, recap what I used. Parker Shavette here. I went with my Yaqi High Mountain Silvertip Badger Brush. Uncle John's Pipe Smoke. Awesome soap. For post shave, went with Artisan Soap Shop Humidor. And I went with Morgan's Post Shave Balm. And that's going to do it for today's shave. I hope you guys all have a great week ahead and a great weekend. Take care.